What is going on YouTube? It's Huncho back with another video today. As you can see by the title, we are getting our exhaust tips finally installed and a couple other modifications as well. So today, let's go head over to the exhaust shop. I literally just called. They said they have availability today. So we're gonna get those chrome tips exhaust. Gonna look way better for the rear end. And I feel like that's one of the missing touches. So let's go over there and head over. Also, I do have a lot of people always asking me for my setup, and I'm willing to show you guys, and especially when we lift it up on the rack, to show you my exhaust setup. But it's currently a 3.5 muffler delete with quad tips installed. Everything else is stock besides the catless downpipe. So pretty simple setup. I don't really like having a high-pitched tone, especially with burples and stuff. I wanted to keep it low, but you know, some mid-aggressive, nothing crazy. Obviously it's not gonna sound like 6-cylinder V8 or anything like that, but you know, just want to keep it really calm and collective. Let me get you guys a quick cold start real quick. As you can see, we did the interior trim. This piece arrives in today, so I'm hyped for that. And also another big mod I'm willing to show you guys, but let me get this cold start in. So a little loud off the cold start, nothing too crazy though. The drone is honestly not that bad, but like I said, we are on our way to exhaust shop. It's only 10-15 minutes away. I'll be showing you guys the tips that I did get and the exhaust setup. So let's go head over there right now, and we got to knock this out quick. All right, so we made it to the location. I'm about to pull in. I'll show you guys, like I said, when we put it on the rack and stuff, a little bit about the exhaust setup so you guys can have a better idea. But I did find these guys through a friend of mine on Instagram. They do really good work with installing exhaust tips. You know, they did his M340 and his 550, and ever since I seen the work, I was like, you know what, it looks pretty good. So these people are located in Kissimmee. They're called Kissimmee Muffler. That's their shop right there. So I'm gonna reverse park and toss them the keys so they can pull in, and like I said, we'll get to work on it. Just not sure if you guys can see. They just got the keys, about to pull it in. I think the best feeling is seeing someone else drive the car so you can see what you really built. So it looked like they got it on the lift, no issues. I was a little scared just because of how low it is, but they have a pretty good lift. But here's the setup. Like I said, 3.5 muffler delete, one into the stock one, which is a 2.5, I believe, which is that stock pipe. Everything else is stock. Still have my resonant and everything. It's just a muffler delete. But like I told her, I want the tips to be even as possible. This side's hanging a little bit low, and as you can tell, it did melt the diffuser a little bit, which I'm not tripping about because it's always fixable, and plus the other tips are bigger, so they'll stand out more. But like I said, hopefully just get the perfect fitment. It's just all Gatlinburg prep. Take a look at that rear end though. Had to head for a quick water break. It's too damn hot, but I already see they're already cutting it and taking off the old tips, so let me show you guys that real quick. So right side's already cut off. They're about to do the left, and the tips that I got, the diameter, it's a little bit too small, so what they're gonna do is just like expand it open and then install it there. But shout out to them, they're really nice people. I told them with the way I want it and stuff, so everything's gonna come out good. Just like that, we got one side done. They already leveled it. Let me make sure everything's perfect. They kept asking me how I wanted it, so everything looking good so far. Take a look how the chrome makes a big difference. It's gonna look super clean. Stay tuned for the results. They're gonna complete the other side right after this one, and then I'll get you guys some sound clips and stuff. But overall, it's looking pretty good. Just like that, they're all lined up. Everything looks good. It's super sick with the chrome because it actually sticks out more, as in like more pops out more, like people actually see it rather than the black blending in. Take a look at that. Looks really aggressive. Everything's all even. It's gonna look sick. But I'll pick up the camera once we have it down on the ground, and like I said, let's get a better overview. Just like that, the chrome tips are all finished up. Flush fitment. Everything looks good, both even on both sides. It's a big game changer. Almost done with the gap prep. We only have around maybe like under 20 days, but everything looks so good. Just like that, the exhaust tips are all done. As you guys can see, it looks really good fitted. Like I said, there wouldn't be no sound difference, but everything went good. Tips are all evened out, which I like. We're about to hit 700. Not sure if we hit 700 yet, but I know we're about to. And honestly, I'm trying to grind to hit 1K. So appreciate the support. We've been going crazy on Instagram and TikTok. The socials are Huncho Spec. Appreciate you guys. Huncho out. Really excited for this big mod. You know, I was really supposed to get this roughly around close to like 3 months ago, but I've been waiting on it. But now I've realized the opportunity and stuff came, so did get it. It'll be right over there in that box. But like I said, this clear taillights is gonna like stick with the car, you know, because obviously we have the whole paint match scheme, everything blue on the car, and we have nothing red besides the reflectors and the front ones. Those will get paint matched, but I think the clear is gonna set it off. All the details will come along all together. So let me show you guys the clear taillights and where I got them from and everything. So here it is, the clear taillights. As you guys can see, really excited for this. It's gonna look super sick on the car, especially with the blue. But take a look at that. So you know, you guys are probably wondering, where did I purchase this from? So I did go ahead and ordered it from eBay itself. So I could have went the Alibaba route, or I could have went to a big company. But honestly, these companies are charging 3 times the price just to make profit. But honestly, like I said, they're all coming from the same supplier, regardless from Alibaba, regardless from, let's say, one of the big brands on Instagram that you see ads, or even from eBay. They're all coming from the same spot. I know usually some people do have some minor defects with this. Like I said, I used to have the clear GTS ones, and let's say they had like a water leak and stuff, so I will be inspecting it for the seal and stuff. Sometimes I'll even like to reseal them before applying them, just to be as a precaution. But overall, you know, I don't think it's a bad purchase. I did have a buddy who bought them from eBay, so I'm gonna install them as well. So not a bad purchase, and only for around 400 bucks shipped under 3 days. I ordered this literally on like Thursday, and I got it today, which is not bad. So honestly, a great investment. But along for the vehicle, the install should be super easy. I know removing all these plastic clips, got to remove all these panels. I know we got to access the side panels right here as well. But if I'm not mistaken, I think it's like 3 8 mils up top, 2 10 mils deep inside there that's holding it, just disconnected. So let's get started on that. I'm going to be removing all the plastic trim and everything, and we'll get started on this install. I'm hoping it'll take me quick, but let's see. You know how every install goes. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on the video. We've been going crazy on the vids. Like I said, I've been trying to be really consistent. I'd have to edit a couple videos to get them pushed out, but overall, everyone's been liking the setup, especially on Instagram and TikTok. But I do want to paint those rotors. I do have to do that soon, so maybe one of these days I'll be able to do that. But I threw on the center caps on. But other than that, let's get started on this install. I'm going to start removing all the trim. Alrighty, just like that, we have one side done, so it's super easy. Obviously, you just want to remove all this trim level, all this trims and stuff. But check it out. So you are going to have a 10 mil up here, and then down here will be, see if the camera catches it, right here where my finger's at will be an 8 mil holding this. And once you remove that, remove this plastic piece. As you can see, there's plastic covering right here. Remove this one. There's 2 little 10 mils holding this, which will look something like that. And after that, just disconnect the light and you're all good to go. So let's put on one of the sets from the left side. I'm gonna work my side from left to right, and then pick up the camera when everything's installed. It'll be the same thing, but I'm gonna pick up the camera when we put up this one as well. But super easy though. Alrighty, so removing this is a whole bunch of clips. Prepared to be it's like 6 different clips, but all I can see right now, I think I remember, is just one up here, another one up here. I believe there's another bolt somewhere. I'm gonna have to double check, but I know I have to disconnect the wire and stuff. But I can't stop looking at the side. It's gonna look so good with the blue. But I'll catch you guys once I install these. Like I said, taillights are super easy and shouldn't take anyone more than 2 hours, honestly. I only understand if you gotta take more than 2 hours if it's like, you know, if you never remove taillights or something like that. But like I said, with these BMWs, it's just clips and a lot of plug and play stuff, so it should be fairly easy. I'm gonna pick up the cam once I have both of them out, and I'll put in new ones. Alrighty, so I was correct. There was only one bolt holding that taillight. So also you do have a clip here. You just want to disconnect it just like that. And coming here for the taillight, you just want to push it open a little bit, not so much pressure, but then it should slide right off. So as you see, just like that, it'll just come right off and you're all set to go. These are the clear ones on there. I'm going to slide them in, just putting everything in the box so I don't drop anything. Also, that part right there is actually for my interior to finish it up. I'm just missing that passenger trim on the left, so I will be installing that in this video. But let's get back to the clears and I'll put them on. Alrighty guys, and just like that, the install is done. The only tricky part that I did have was just with the middle tails, but I want to explain something a little bit easier. So coming along over here, let me pop this out. In order to install these tails correctly so it can have the best fitment as possible, make sure put this side in so this almost like a claw of some sort will come up underneath and you can slide in that side perfectly. Because at first I was having issues by making sure it was perfect, but now everything's all flush, looks great like OEM. Now take a look at that. Clear tails. I've been wanting to do this mod for a while and I'm glad everything's turned out good. So now what I have to do left is just coat out the rear daytime tail lights. So when I'm driving in the daytime, only my headlights, DRLs will show and the rears will be off so everyone can see I have clears. And at night, it'll only turn on obviously like the reddish pinkish of it. But do like how they came out. Like I said, for the investment off eBay, they work fine. No issues so far. And hopefully none later down the line. But take a look at that. Changes up the car completely. And that will be an end to today's video. Thank you guys for tuning in. Like, comment, subscribe. As you can see, the tails came out perfect. On the overall install difficulty, I'll probably rate it a good out of 4, 10, or 5 out of 10. Not so bad. Actually doable if you have the right tools and everything and the patience. But I love how this came out. The all blue look with the white tails is going to look so nice, especially with the chrome tips. Take a look at that. But once again, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Feel free to share this video. We're trying to hit 700 or higher, trying to hit the 1K mark before the year ends, so let's just go grind for that. More videos on the way. I have a lot of videos to edit, honestly. Probably have like good 2 or 3 videos, or maybe 2 videos before this one, hopefully. But overall though, thank you guys for tuning in. More videos on the way. Huncho's out.